Hey guys, in today's video, we're playing Animal Company. I'm gonna show you how to get to the planets. So, yeah, let's get right into it. Yeah, I don't have that much stuff. I just re-downloaded this game. Well, hold up. Bags. I don't have hook shots, so yeah, let's go. Come over here. Come over here. You can see we're heading into the mines. Right, so when you're in the mines, I'm gonna be doing some mining, so after, so when you come in here, turn your flashlight on, go in, straight, turn this way, and then you'll see the lines. Also, you can go to Norway if you want. Drop down one, so just drop down once. Wait, at least I think it's once. Hold up. Yeah, no, it's once, I think. Hold up. No, it's twice. Yeah, it's twice. Drop down until you're down to here. I put it down because my pickaxe. Alright, and then when you're in here, when you're here, you're gonna go for this way, but I'm gonna do some mining real quick. Hold up. Alright, and then come for here. Spiders shouldn't be in here. Spiders are actually above. There's a mimic. Oh god. Just be careful of mimics because they will hurt. They do hurt you. I'll do it. Oh, wait, where am I? Where was I? Right, no, we're gonna come past this bit right here, and then I would probably put your stuff in your bag. I would put your flashlight in your bag. Keep your pickaxe in your left arm if you're good with your right arm. But if you're good with your left arm, keep it in your left arm. These platforms do not drop actually, not these ones, but them ones like here. Like so. See, like that, they drop. But I'm gonna try and take a fast way. So and this is you at the planets. Oh snap. Don't worry, you won't die because there's gravity full. Hold up. So if you go to this planet, if you want more of the stuff, so you can go to the tree. I don't know what it's called. No, the tech tree. You go to that planet if you want more of the crystal things. I don't know what they call them. What is it called? What is the crystal things called? That planet if you want to get big. Hold up, we're trying to get to and then for that planet, that's where you get small. So we're just gonna go over here and mine some stuff. You really want this pickaxe because it's cooler, and the monsters are only hit for healing. You can hit the monsters with 8 times in the red, black, green light. I don't know about the normal ones. Hold up. Watch what I'm about to do here. I'm about to clutch this real quick. Hold up. watching. No! My flashlight! I don't know if I would die if I did it. But I ain't going down it, so... And then when you're done mining out the planet, you can turn off your Wi-Fi if you want to try to do it again. You can turn off your Wi-Fi if you want to get more of the... If you want to do it again, you can turn off your Wi-Fi, like I said. If you go to these two planets, right, hold up. Because this one doesn't want me to go on it, so hold up. No, I want to go to that planet. Okay. Right, so you're gonna hit yourself up here till you just catch yourself. Right, this planet makes you small. So if you just eat these, use your top button. I'm using my B button. Close to it. And then look, pickaxe is way bigger, but I'm way smaller. I'm just a little bean. Yeah, see. If you eat these, you get smaller. You control a bit with it. Did you have mods? And wait, hold up, we're gonna try and make it. No! How small can we get actually? That's actually a pretty good question. How small? Oh, sugar. Right, I will be changed back in any size anytime now.